Is your Volvo XC40 showing a black screen when you connect Apple CarPlay? Let's fix this connectivity issue in under 2 minutes. Statistically, 80% of these black screen glitches are software related and can be cleared with a quick infotainment reboot. Before you head to the dealership, let's walk through the standard diagnostic steps for your Volvo infotainment system. Start by performing a hard reboot of the center display by holding the home button until the system logo reappears. If a reboot fails, inspect your cable for fraying and ensure your phone's charging port is completely free of pocket lint. Double-check that your iPhone settings haven't restricted CarPlay and try deleting the existing vehicle profile to start fresh. Most users find success with these simple steps, but persistent black screens after a dealer software reload may indicate a hardware fault. As shown here, the vast majority of connectivity issues are resolved immediately by a simple system power cycle. If the screen stays black, verify your iPhone firmware and check the car's settings menu for any pending over-the-air software updates. Keep an MFI-certified cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box to handle these connectivity snags on the go. Remember, a systematic approach to troubleshooting will usually save you from paying unnecessary diagnostic fees at the dealership. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook. If your screen is back up, hit that like button and subscribe for more Volvo repairs.